meditation for a while. Finally, I went to bed at around 10 p.m. On Tuesday, I woke up at 5 in the morning as usual. I performed ablution and prayed Fajr. After that, I did my usual morning activities. On that day, I had an online class starting at 9 o'clock in the morning. After the class ended, I spent some time using my phone while waiting for the Dhuhr. When it was time, I prayed the Dhuhr in the Tufinah. After that, I woke up and prayed Asar. If I had any achievement, I worked on the little by little. In the evening, I took a shower and got ready to prayer Maghrib. After that, I had dinner prayer Isha. Then, I continued working on my achievement until around 10 o'clock at night. Finally, I went to sleep. On Wednesday, I wake up at 5 in the morning. I performed ablution and prayed Fajr. After that, I cleaned my room and cooked some food. Then, I took a shower and had breakfast with my friends. Since I did not have any classes on Wednesday, I spent my time doing assessment. When it was time for Dhuhr, I prayed and then took a nap. I woke up at 3 o'clock, prayed Asar and relaxed again until 5. After that, I took a shower and cooked dinner. Then I prayed Maghrib and had dinner. After that, I prayed Isha and went to bed. I played on my phone for a while and then fell asleep. In my morning routine, I performed ablution, prayed Fajr, took a shower and cleaned my room. After that, I had breakfast with my friend and prepared myself for campus. I went to campus at 10 o'clock in the morning. I attended my classes until noon after that. I took a break, prayed Dhuhr and had lunch. Then I continued my class again until 3 in the afternoon. After class, I went back to the dormitory, cleaned myself, and prayed Asar. In the evening, I rested for a while, took a shower, cooked dinner, and prayed Maghrib. After that, I relaxed while waiting for Isha. After praying Isha, I had dinner. Before going to self, I reviewed my lessons briefly. Finally, I went to bed at around 10 p.m. On Friday, I woke up at 5 in the morning and did my I prayed Zuhur at the lecture location and the return to the dormitory. At the dormitory, I cleaned my room and lay down for a while waiting for Asar. After that, I prayed Asar to a shower and continue my evening routine. Then I prayed Maghrib and had dinner. After that, I prayed Isha and worked my assignment. Finally, I went to sleep. On Sunday, I did my usual morning activities. After that, I joined a dormitory community service activities until noon. After that, I prayed Zuhur and had lunch. Then I continued working and university assignment. In the afternoon, I prayed Asar and went grocery shopping with my friend. After that, I prayed Maghrib. Then I cooked and had dinner. After that, I prayed Isha and continued working on my assignment. Finally, I was